Just one click, and this exact event alert template is delivered to thousands of your users instantly. No manual sending, no copy paste, no delays. Just one action and your entire audience receives your event update directly on WhatsApp. And that's exactly what I am doing using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you how. So this works in real time like this. As soon as I go inside the broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow, I click on create broadcast button, and this WhatsApp broadcast page is going to be appear in front of me, where at first I have given my broadcast one name and select my contact list here. After that, I choose my event template, and the moment I click on this plus add broadcast button, this message is individually delivered to every user's WhatsApp account. This template is designed by myself, and it also includes one quick button by the name of book now. Now here's the most important part. This is not a group message. Every user receives this as a personal message. That's why it gets open, that's why it gets attention, and that's why it gets responses. Now I'll walk you through this setup. So if you are an existing user of Pabbly, then it is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. With the help of this single tool, you can create automated WhatsApp chatbots, AI assistant, broadcast messages, and many more. And once you do the sign-up process, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software. But before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to broadcast this type of WhatsApp templates to your 1,000+ users by just one click, then go and purchase this amazing tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now, after doing the sign up process, you will land it on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and once you reach it, you have to go in this broadcast feature. Now, the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. So this is the broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow, and everything happens here. With the help of this feature, you can easily send WhatsApp messages to your predefined list of contacts. It is perfect for announcement, promotions, and updating. But before doing the broadcast setup, first I'll explain you how you can add your bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, because it is an important step. At first, you have to add all of your users' contact number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then only you can send them the broadcast message. So for adding contacts, you have to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts. You can also add contacts one by one manually, but I refer you to add contacts in bulk. Here you have to upload the CSV file that contains all of your users' contact details. Now, what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that includes the data in the simplest format. For creating a CSV file, you can use Excel or Google Sheets. See, in real time it looks like this. I have added all of my users record in Google Sheet. After adding, you have to click on this files option and download this file in the CSV format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that only CSV files is allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts. After that, for uploading a contacts, you have to click on this option and click on this add new file. Just drag and drop this file here. After that, click on this upload files button. Next, select the same file from here and click on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also create a list of contacts by clicking on this plus option. I have already created one by the name of new list, where I added only 48 contacts. Now we will go back to our broadcast feature. After adding contacts, you have to come in this page and click on this plus add broadcast button. Select the broadcast type from here that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast a name. I am giving it as an event invitation alert. After that, select the contact list from here that I am selecting as new list. See, this is the same list that I have added here. Next is the refine audience. It is an optional. In this section, you can select individual contact whom you don't want to send the broadcast to. This helps you to avoid sending messages to certain user while targeting the rest of your audience. And the next one, you enable this toggle. The system will automatically skip users who are already in an active 24-hour chat window user. This helps you to avoid sending unnecessary templates message and keeps you and your users communication clean and compliant. Next one is the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send the regular message by selecting this option and select the message type from here. After that, enter the message on this field, but I refer you to go with this pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and they follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. After that, I'm selecting the template by clicking on this button. See, this is the event invitation template that I want to send. After that, I am uploading one image of event. For that, I'm clicking on this option and selecting it from here. I'm clicking on this insert button. Next, I'm clicking on this done button. See, this is the final look of the template that was sent to the user. Now, for designing this type of templates, you have to go in this templates feature. See, this is the template feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can create multiple types of WhatsApp templates for your different type of businesses. I have already created some, and this is the event invitation alert template that we are going to use in this video. If you want to create a new one, then you can click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. Now we will go back to our broadcast setup. After selecting the template, I am entering the username as a test user and entering my number in this field just only for the testing purpose that this broadcast message is sending or not. After entering my number, I am clicking on the send test message button and see it says that test broadcast sent, and immediately I received a message too. It includes all the details that were entered in this template. As we have received the message, this means that our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Next, you have to schedule your broadcast. It will provide you two options, name as here schedule for later and no send instantly. So if you want to send this broadcast to all of your contacts instantly, then you can click on this plus add broadcast button, but I am scheduling this for later, so I am selecting this option. Let's say I am scheduling this broadcast for 6th of May at 9 a.m. After that, I'm clicking on this OK button. See, on 6th of May 2026 at 9 a.m. this template message is going to be sent to all of my users, means these all contacts. After that, I'm clicking on this plus add broadcast button. See, our broadcast is created successfully and it's going to be appear here too. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button and export the report from here. So this is how easily you can do the setup of broadcast by using Pabbly Chatflow. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing this amazing setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. Not only this, you can do multiple types of WhatsApp broadcast by using this single tool. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.